Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple TV 4K. I have an Apple TV of this generation, or maybe it was, I don't know if it was last generation or this generation. It was the developer kit that came out when this, I think it was when this generation came out, the developer kit. Apple offered certain developers that had apps in the App Store. I think it was randomly selected, and I had developed an app, not really developed an app, but I had published an app for my friend on my account for a little online radio hobby kind of thing that he did, and I got an email saying I could get an Apple TV for $1. So that's the one I've been using for the past couple of years, but it is just the regular 1080p one. So this one right here is the 4K one. I figured I'd pick one of these up because I got the 4K TCL TV. So, you know, it didn't make much sense to have a bunch of 1080p stuff plugged into it after spending money on a 4K TV. So this one does support 4K HDR, which is going to be nice. It also supports Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, which my TV also does support. So here we go. Nothing too exciting, but I figured I'd just unbox it, you know, just why not? If people want to watch it, they can watch. If not, they don't have to. It also has the newer remote with the little menu button with the white circle around it. My other one does not have that. So I got a new Siri remote right here. Here is the Apple TV itself. It looks like right here we have a power cable right there. I'm probably just going to use the other one and use this one on my old Apple TV and put it back in my bedroom. And then over here we have the manual, and we also get a lightning cable to charge the Siri remote, which is really nice. Always good to get some spare lightning cables when you don't really need them. Put that back in there. One thing different about this Apple TV is my other one being a developer one and being the older style of this generation has a USB-C port on the back. It was actually the first Apple product to have a USB-C port. This one does not have any type of USB connection on it. There we go. So this one doesn't have any type of USB on it. It just has your HDMI, Ethernet, and power. So that's all you get. I want to say the other one even had optical out. This one does not have that either, which is kind of unfortunate on the 4K model. You'd think they would have that. You know, people with 4K would probably be having a higher end setup and use that, but you can always, I think, use the optical out on your TV if it's coming from HDMI, so you should be fine on that as well. But that is the Apple TV 4K. I'm going to go set it up, and I'm Colin with Techout. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because I do have one more thing I'm going to be unboxing and setting up on the setup, and that is this Hue white in color LED light bar. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed, and as always, I'm Colin with Techout.